The Cuisinart 622-20 Chef's Classic 8-inch open skillet is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It offers great rendimiento. This pan makes cooking feel like a breeze. Food slides off easily thanks to its nonstick surface. Cleaning up is also a play. The hard-anodized construction ensures durability. This Cuisinart 622-20 Chef's Classic 8-inch open skillet heats evenly. You won't have hot spots that burn your food. It's a reliable tool for everyday cooking. When it comes to comparison, this skillet holds its own. It's a solid investment for both new and experienced cooks. The 8-inch size is perfect for smaller meals. It's also great for side dishes. Imagine perfectly seared scallops ready for your plate. The handle stays cool on the stovetop. This adds to the ease of use. The Cuisinart 622-20 Chef's Classic 8-inch open skillet is built to last. You won't need a screwdriver to keep it in good shape. Overall, this skillet earns many stars in my book. It's not just one of those kitchen devices that collects dust instead. It becomes a go-to for many cooking tasks. There's no complicated registration needed. You can start using it right out of the box. If you want a reliable and easy-to-use non-stick skillet, the Cuisinart 622-20 Chef's Classic 8-inch open is an excellent choice. And it truly simplifies cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: even heating, durable build, oven safe, to 500 degrees F, cool grip handle, drip-free rim, versatile use, good for frying, good for sautéing, lifetime warranty. Cons: handle can get hot, limited heat use, quality concerns, non-stick fades, uneven heating. Lighter weight, smaller size, may not last. Features: non-stick surface, hard-anodized 8-inch size, open skillet, chef's classic, durable build, easy cleanup, heats evenly, comfort handle, oven safe. This Cuisinart Chef's Classic 8-inch open skillet has a non-stick surface, which means food won't easily stick and it's simple to clean. The skillet is made with a hard-anodized material, making it strong and long-lasting. It's an 8-inch size, good for cooking smaller amounts of food. The Chef's Classic design suggests it's made for good cooking performance, like heating food evenly. It also has a comfort handle to make it easy to hold and is safe to use in the oven. This Cuisinart 8-inch skillet has a non-stick surface and is made with strong material for even heating. It's safe to use in the oven up to 500 degrees F and has a handle that stays cool. The edge is made to prevent drips when pouring. You can use it for many types of cooking, like frying and sautéing, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. However, the handle can still get hot, and it's best to use it on low to medium heat. Some people have had issues with the non-stick coating wearing off and the pan not heating evenly over time. It's also lighter and smaller than some other pans and might not last as long for everyone.